Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll see how to connect LeadConnector with Google Sheets and Integrately. It's a no-code tool to make whole process effortless. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, search for and select LeadConnector as your first application. Next, search for and select Google Sheets as your second application to pair with LeadConnector. From the list of available automations, choose the one that creates a LeadConnector contact whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets and click Activate. You'll then be asked to connect your Google Sheets account. Select the spreadsheet and pick the worksheet that will trigger the automation. After setting up the trigger, connect your LeadConnector account by entering the required API key. In the Automation Builder, map the columns from your Google Sheet, such as email and phone number, to the matching fields in LeadConnector. Once all fields are mapped, test your setup and turn on the automation to start syncing your data. And that's it. We just learned how to connect LeadConnector with Google Sheets using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.